Good morning, my dear students. Mr. Osama with you. I hope you do well in your vacation. According to our revision in science curriculum, first term, let's start our revision now.
One from the most important questions, compare. The first compare between proton and electron. The point of comparison, number 1 location, number 2 charge, number 3 mass. First of all, proton is located inside the nucleus. Proton is located inside the nucleus. But electron revolves around the nucleus in main energy levels. This is about the location. Secondly, the charge. Proton has positive charge, while electron has negative charge. About the mass, as we know, proton has larger mass, very large mass regarding electron. So proton equal about 1800 times of electrons mass. So the mass of proton equal about 1800 times of electrons mass. While electron mass is very small, considered as negligible mass. The mass of electron is neglected compared to proton. The other comparison, arachnids and insects. The point of comparison, number of legs and example. Arachnids have 4 pairs of jointed legs, but insects have 3 pairs of jointed legs. Example of arachnids like spider and scorpion. Insects, we have many examples as ant, locust, mosquito, cockroach, and so on. The final comparison today, compare between solid, liquid, and gas. The point of comparison, molecular motion, intermolecular space, intermolecular force, and finally examples. Solid has limited molecular motion. The molecular motion of solid is limited. In case of liquid, the molecular motion is intermediate. Finally, gas completely free motion. Intermolecular spaces regarding solid, very narrow or limited, very small. Liquid, intermediate also. Gas, large space. The intermolecular space is very large. Regarding intermolecular force, the intermolecular force of solid is very strong. Liquid, intermediate. Gas, very weak. Examples, it's very easy. Ice, iron, copper. Liquid, water, alcohol, oil, gas, air, oxygen, water vapor. Questions. Give one example. Give one example of number 1, animal with soft body. Animal with soft body, as you know, octopus or jellyfish. I give you here 2 examples. You have to write one of them. Teethless animal like sloth or armadillo. Solid substance with low melting point as ice or sulfur, or maybe also wax. Okay, and so on. Insectivorous plants, the plant that eats insects to get protein, like Drosera, Halophila, or also Dionia. Unicellular organism as Euglena, amoeba, or Paramecium. You have to write one example only. Alloy used in making heating coils. Nickel chrome alloy. Inert gas. As you know, we have many inert gases like helium, argon, neon, krypton, xenon, and so on. Monocotyledon plant. Monocotyledon plant as maize or wheat. Very active metal. We have two very active metals that we have studied before, like sodium or potassium. A device changes electric energy to heat energy. Electric heater, or electric iron. Another type of questions, choose the odd word. Number 1, locust, mosquito, spider, fly. Locust, mosquito, spider, fly. The different word here is spider, because locust, mosquito, and fly are insects, while spider is arachnid. Iron, butter, ice, wax. The solution is iron, because butter, ice, wax, all of these substances have low melting point, while iron has high melting point. Neon, helium, argon, sodium. As we know that neon, helium, argon are noble gases, inactive elements, while sodium is active elements. Amoeba, clover, euglena, paramecium. As you know, amoeba, euglena, paramecium, all of these organisms are unicellular microorganisms, while clover is a multicellular organism. Lion, armadillo, wolf, dog. The difference here is armadillo, because all of these animals have teeth, while armadillo has no teeth. Pine, wheat, pea, bean. The different one is pine, because wheat, pea, bean are plants reproduced by seeds, while pine reproduced by using spores. Proton, molecule, neutron, electron. The difference here is molecule, because proton, neutron, electron, all of these particles located inside the atom, while molecule is not one of them. Heat, potential, kinetic, and mass. The different one is mass, because heat, potential, and kinetic are types of energy. Heat energy, potential energy, and kinetic energy, while mass is not a type of energy. Water, oxygen, ammonia, hydrogen chloride. Water, ammonia, hydrogen chloride are compounds, while oxygen is element. So the difference here is oxygen. Leaf insect, stick insect, camel pad, chameleon color. The different one is a chameleon color, because all of camel pad, stick insect, and leaf insects have structural adaptation. The first three adaptation are structural, while chameleon is not structural adaptation, it's a functional adaptation.
That's all about our revision today. Thank you for listening and nice to meet you. See you later.